Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Go ahead and sit down for this one. It's probably going to be the most rare used truck that you're going to look at on the internet today. It's a 2016 Pete 389 glider kit with a 78-inch stand-up sleeper. It's got a 3406E 550 cat, 18-speed, 336 gears, and it's only got 108,000 original miles. This was a Fitzgerald kit, but Thompson Cat dropped in the engine back in 2016 whenever it was all put together. Gotten it pretty warm. It's almost full operating temperature. Gonna get it fired up, do a full walk around, show you oil pressure and blow by. Hope you enjoy it. About 175 or so temp. It'll get a little bit warmer, so your oil pressure drop just a hair more, but it's getting pretty close. So just a little throttle, it's already up over 60. So extremely clean interior. Platinum interior, still got the plastic in the floor in the back, dual leather seats. Love the color combo, the tan on the inside, green exterior, air ride front end. Highly sought after 2WS cat. Wish I had 100 of these on the yard. Super cool. Just enough chrome, just enough lights. Think of anything negative to even show you on this one. It's that nice, that clean. If you like what you see, or you've got questions on any other trucks, if you're looking for something, you can call me 901-896-4526 or email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Appreciate you watching. Let me know what you think.